I upgraded non-main iPhone to iOS 17 because I was afraid of its instability. But it turns out that I did nothing wrong. iOS 17 beta indeed influences the experience. And I found others encounter variety of bugs like wallpaper stuck, keyboard not appearing, search menu not appearing, etc. So today I will show you how to downgrade from iOS 17 to stable iOS 16.5. To begin the process, it is important to create a backup of the data on your iPhone. Launch iTunes and connect your iPhone to a computer. Then hit the backup option. It takes some minutes, just wait for the backup process to complete. Now start to downgrade. For a quick and easy solution, we recommend using UnicTool UMendit. It's a powerful software that enables you to effortlessly downgrade your iOS system. Let's launch UMendit. Before removing iOS system, you'll need enter recovery mode in one click, and then connect your iDevice. After that, hit advanced mode. You will find your iPhone model and iOS 16.5 firmware. Click on download and wait for extracting the firmware. Now click on Start to Fix button to downgrade. Just wait for a few moments, your iPhone will get back to iOS 16.5. iOS Downgrader Tool free download link in the description. To restore the backed up data, we'll need to make some modifications since the backup file version is iOS 17, which may be incompatible with your iOS 16.5 system. First, locate the default path for Apple backups. You can find it at this. Administrator is my username on computer, just replace it with your own name. Now, navigate to the backup folder and scroll down until you find the Info Plus file. Open it with Notepad. Next, use Ctrl F to search for the product version. Once you locate the iOS version, change 17 to 16.5 and save the changes. Next, open iTunes and restore from the modified backup. Click on Restore and be patient as the process may take some time. Also, I will share you a good news. UnicTool is holding an iOS 17 celebration. Draw a discount, you can get a bundle purchase discount. See how much money I saved. I will share more solutions for iOS 17 in the next videos, and if you find this video helps, don't forget to drop a like, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye.